Going to Heron Island. Woo!
Hi, my name's Courtney. I'm a project officer with CoralWatch. CoralWatch is a citizen science organisation based at the University of Queensland. We focus on monitoring the health of corals using this really simple to use coral chart. CoralWatch also actively participates in education and outreach events to raise awareness about the importance of corals, how cool they are and how crucial they are to our ecosystems and to our human well-being as well.
Well, we're getting on a boat. I'm going to go see some fish and some beautiful coral.
Let's go!
Good, Mama. When people cry, I cry.